Hello and welcome to numeracy class once again. Now this is the time for us to officially start using the lattice method to perform multiplication. So here we have 2-digit number being multiplied by 1-digit number. Traditionally, I'm sure you can perform this and get your 111. Now come to the lattice method. What will be your first step? Now you are to construct the lattice and size it to fit the two given numbers. So what do I mean? The two given numbers here, which is actually the multiplicand and the multiplier. The multiplicand is actually a 2-digit. So you draw 2 columns for the multiplicand. And then the multiplier, you draw 1 row. So always the multiplier is for the row and then the multiplicand is for the columns. Now, let's see what we mean. You draw your columns here. 1 column and then another column. So you get 2 columns for the multiplicand. And then how many are the rows for the multiplier? Of course, from here to this place, it's only 1 row that we can see. All the way from here to here, 1 row, which is for the multiplier. The next thing to do is to place your numbers around the lattice. So as I said, the multiplicand is going to be placed on top of the columns, of which each digit is going to be a header of each column. Now the multiplier is also going to be placed at the right side of the lattice. So let's see what we mean. Now the multiplicand has been placed on top. So the number in tens is placed first and the number in ones is placed next. Assuming there was another number which was in front of it, which is actually in the hundreds place, it will be placed this place. So you arrange from the left to the right. Well, in a nutshell, I want to say that the most significant number is written first and then follows in that order. Now the next thing you are doing is to place your multiplier at the right side of the lattice. So here is the left side and here is the right side. At the lattice, the right side here we have the 3 placed here perfectly. This is the whole arrangement. The last thing to be done is you are going to divide these cells, the whole of this place, into 2. This one 2 into 2. What do I mean? The box we have here, you divide it into 2. And this box you divide into 2. That's what we call the cells. So what are you using to divide? You are using a diagonal line. It could be drawn from this place to this place. Or it could be drawn from this place to this place. But ideally, you must actually draw it from the top right corner to the down left corner. So let's draw it. So you see we have drawn it. So never should you draw it from here to here. Now the same thing should be done in this cell too. This is the whole thing. After doing this, you can proceed. But we want to pause here and take an exercise. Thanks for watching.